Welcome to part 60 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning reported speech. This is also called indirect speech. We use it to tell someone what another person said. Direct speech uses the exact words, "I am tired," she said. Reported speech tells us what she said. She said that she was tired. Notice, am changed to was. This is called the backshift. Tenses move back in time. Let's look at the common backshifts. Present simple becomes past simple. I work here. He said he worked there. Present continuous becomes past continuous. I'm eating. She said she was eating. Past simple becomes past perfect. I saw the film. He said he had seen the film. Will becomes would. I will help. She said she would help. Now let's look at other changes in reported speech. Pronouns change. I can become he, she, or they. I love you. She said she loved him. Time words also change. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the day before. We also use tell, but with an object. He told me that he was leaving. She told us the meeting was canceled. Said doesn't need an object. Told always does. Practice reporting speech in your daily conversations. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.